These Recon F250 2017 lights. You could probably see a video online about trying to find this plug. It's located up there. It's got a dummy plug in it. The kit comes with little splices. There's a little clip inside, way down there, that you have to break off, cut off, remove to be able to pull it out. To expose enough wires to attach the clamps. I did it on the side. The wires that come with the kit are relatively long. Per old instructions for later models, it shows to remove everything and then drill holes from the top. What I did was remove the headliner and then taped everything off, found center line, and did center line on the first one, 8 inches over on the second two, and then 13 inches over for the last ones. The kit does not come with any instructions, so hopefully it matches up to what factory it would be. But the hardest thing to find would be this plug, and to be able to remove it, to splice it into the existing wire,